Hey bro, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm trying to discuss about how can we convert a video to a GIF format, or you can say graphic interface format. So let's get started. So if you're new to YouTube channel, so please do subscribe my channel and must hit the bell icon, because in every week and daily basis I upload some videos regarding machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, and so on. So you can see here I uploaded some videos regarding deep learning, some videos regarding NLP, natural language processing, some videos regarding Arduino, some videos regarding Django. So please check it out. Okay, so now let's jump on our actual projects. Okay, so in this code I'm going to use a library called MoviePy. So let's go here and copy this and open your command prompt and type python and okay, so you can see your requirements already satisfied. That means this library is already installed in my local machine. So why I'm type python am, because I'm using two versions of python. So first one is a python 3.6 and second one is the python 3.8. So I'm going to use python 3.8 in this project. So I'm going to minimize that. So let's see the folder structure, how it actually look like. So this is the actual folder structure is look like. You can see there are three files. Okay, bacteria blow, sunset, water, and the test. This one also the video. So let's click on here and play this. So this is the video for bacteria blow. Okay, and this one is the video for sunset water. Okay, so you're going to use that. Okay, so let's open my code. So you can see I already create a main.py. This is the empty file. So now I'm going to import the MoviePy, not a modify. So MoviePy.editor, I'm going to import video file clip. So now I'm going to initialize the video file clip. Let's say video video clip equal video file clip. So it will take argument, that's means it take the file name. So our file name, that's means our video file name. So let's say this one, rename it and copy this one. Okay, and paste it here .mp4. Okay, so just what we need to do, we need to use a method to actually convert this bacteria blood mp4 file to a GIF file. So simple, video clip dot write GIF. So inside this it will take some argument. Okay, so first one is the file. What is the actual file name? So let's say test. Let's put here bacteria. Let's say test dot GIF, and you need to put here fps, that's in frame per second, and let's put here 10. Okay, so in usually case, that's in video, so the fps is nothing but 13 or 16, but if you converting this image into converting this video in a GIF, so you need to put here fps in a lower case, when lower format decreases. So I put here 10. So let's run the code and see. Okay, so running this, it will take some time to actually converting this video into a GIF format. So you can also choose the video file clip, that's video file from your local machines. So you can also use a file dialog, okay, to actually guess, or you can say select the video from your local machines, I mean local path. So I'm going to import that from tkinter.file dialog. I'm going to import all the things. I'm going to create a variable to actually ask open file name. Okay, and I'm going to put here this file name inside this video. Okay, so it will help you to actually open a tkinter dialog to actually tkinter dialog to select the video. Okay, if I go here, it's done. If I run that, so you can see this is the GIF photo bacteria blood has.gif. This is a GIF images. You can also decrease the fps. You can put here 5. Not, it's up to you. Okay, so what are you getting on that? So I'm going to save that and run the code. So you can see here a pop-up is open and try to select the video. So let's select the sunset. So after selecting sunset, I'm going to change this as test one and run the code again. Okay, so open, click this and open. So you can see here the code is running, and it will take some time to actually generate this video to GIF. Okay, so I'm going to minimize that. So you can see here it will loading that. So you can also increase or decrease to this fps, or you can play this fps, then frame per second. So it will take some time to actually converting these video into a GIF file. So you can see it's already created that. Okay, but it's not correctly converted. So I will be back when it will be done. So now you can see here our code is done 100%. So let's see how the file looks like. This one. Okay, this one not so bad. Okay, as a GIF file, not so bad. Okay, so if I going to run the this actual file, you can see here this is the actual file. Okay, so not so bad. So this is the tutorial. Hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and make sure to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for never miss an update. And thank you and bye bye.